Hi, my name is Zoltan Kalmeyer. I'm doing my residency at the Department of Immunology and Biotechnology at the University of Pécs. Meanwhile, I'm also performing research on lymphocyte homing in inflammatory bowel diseases. This is my video application for the Szent-Gyo rgyi Young Investigator Award. In this video, I will show you what I do and why I should receive this award.
Inflammatory bowel diseases include Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. These diseases affect a growing number of people worldwide. This map shows the incidence of Crohn's disease, and it is visibly high in both North America and in Hungary. The next picture shows the incidence of ulcerative colitis. Again, North America and Hungary are circled. Both maps show data from 2013. Meanwhile, in the US alone, about $31 billion were spent on costs related directly to IBD in 2008. These data emphasize the importance and potential economic impact of searching for efficient IBD therapies. Inflammatory bowel diseases are multifactorial pathologies, with the exact causes still being unknown. Predisposing factors include a damaged intestinal epithelial barrier, pathological inflammatory response, abnormal gut bacterial flora, and increased leukocyte homing to gut-associated lymphoid tissues. At the Department of Immunology and Biotechnology in Pécs, Hungary, our research group has focused in the past few years on leukocyte homing to these tissues in healthy and in inflamed conditions. Previously, we have shown that in the absence of NKX2-3 transcription factor, mice lack the MAdCAM1 addressin, the main molecule involved in directing lymphocytes to mucosal lymphoid tissues. In humans, SNPs in the coding region of NKX2-3 have been associated with IBD.
Based on these results and what we know about lymphocyte homing to human inflammatory bowel diseases, we are interested in how the absence of MAdCAM1 affects the course and the therapeutic possibilities in colitis.
To answer this question, we used the MAdCAM knockout mice with a systemic absence of MAdCAM and the NKX knockout mice with lack of endothelial MAdCAM. Colitis is induced in these mice by adding 2.5% dextrane sodium sulfate, or DSS, to their drinking water for 7 days. From then on, they receive tap water again. Samples are isolated on day 7 for acute inflammation, day 14 for subacute inflammation, and for chronic inflammation, mice get 2 cycles of DSS. Meanwhile, weight, general appearance, and stool blood content are measured daily. To assess colitis, we analyze the mice in several ways. Lymphocytes from the colon, mesenteric lymph nodes, and Paris patches are isolated, and single-cell suspensions are made for flow cytometric staining. The samples are then measured on a fax caliber flow cytometer, and the results are analyzed with FlowJo. Cryostat sections are made from colons for the histological assessment of colitis severity, and also the analysis of solitary intestinal lymphoid tissue components. RNA is isolated from various tissue samples, and then real-time PCR is performed on cDNA. We measure the expression levels of various inflammatory cytokines and regulatory genes.
So, as a summary, this is indeed research in progress. We do have preliminary results though, and in fact they seem to be very exciting. Briefly, it seems as if NKX knockout mice are protected against DSS-induced colitis, while MAdCAM1 knockout mice are not. If this is truly the case, it's very interesting because it indicates that the role of NKX2-3 in the pathogenesis of IBD is not restricted to controlling the expression of MAdCAM1. Of course, we need to perform further experiments to verify our results, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.